Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how to do long division. Okay, so if we remember long division, remember that we can structure it in this form of the bus stop method. So what this means is 935 divided by 11. Okay, so hopefully remember with long division, we need to have our brackets at the side, okay? And this tells us what we need to take away from 935. But remember, this needs to be a multiple of 11. So I'm going to write 11 times something. And we need to think, what is the biggest something that I can times by that I can take away from 935? Okay, so what I would do here is let's write out our 11 times table. These are quite nice. We have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. And I'm going to stop there. Okay, well, can you see here that if I did 8 times 11, that gives me 88? Okay, so what would happen if I did 11 times 80? Well, 11 times 8, let's write this out, 11 times 8 is 88. So 11 times 80 is going to be 880 because I've added a 0 on here. Okay, so I can take away 880. That's the biggest number I can think of at the moment. So let's take these away. So if I take these away, I've got 5 take away 0, which is 5. 3 take away 8, I can't do that, so I'm going to have to borrow from the 9. That will become 8. And this one will become 13. So I have 13 take away 8, or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 5. And then I have 8 take away 8, which is just 0. So I'm left with 55. Brilliant. Okay, so I need to now get this to 0 somehow. So I have to do another bracket next to it. And I'm going to do 11 times by what can I take away from 55? Hopefully you can see here that if I did 11 times by 5, that gives me 55. And when I take those away, 5 take 5 is 0, 5 take 5 again is 0, and then we're left with 0, 0, 0. So finally, in order to find our answer for this question, we need to add up these values. So we have 80 and 5. So my final answer would be 935 divided by 11 is 85. Okay, brilliant. So hopefully after watching this video, you feel confident with trying out questions on your own. So what I would recommend is whenever you see this sort of question, let's write out the times tables for whatever this number is first. And then think, well, if I wanted times by, let's say, 20, I would have to just add an extra 0 here, okay? Okay, hopefully you get that. Any questions, just bring it to the lesson.